The things that hooked me are really how extensible the Python API was and SaltStack, the product, was. And then once I got involved, the community hooked me even more. Being able to contribute to the open source, to ask questions.
It feels really good because not only can you help answer questions, but you can also pose novel, strange situations. And almost every time there's someone who has, not just SaltStack staff, but there's someone who has some experience to relate. And so it feels like you're not necessarily always breaking new ground.
I've had things that I think of like, man, wouldn't it be great if Salt could do X, Y, Z? And I mean, I'm not the only one who thinks that, right? Other people do too. And because of this community really contributing towards the Salt Open and so on, I mean, these things come to life and they actually happen.
It's not like other open source projects where you maybe need to write some email to some mailing list and then you get no answer at all, or you create a pull request and this pull request just gets stuck for a long time and you don't have any feedback on that. This is not happening like that with Salt.
So if I think that I have something that has some value, I can submit a PR and they take it in, they test it. If it's good for them, they roll it in and it comes out in the next version release. And the real magic of that is that's one less thing that we have to manage. We don't have to manage a fork of some technology in-house. It's part of the base product now.
One integration I can think of is Netbox. You know, a couple people came together and started working on it, and it's since been merged into Salt Open and, you know, Salt as a whole.
We really like interacting with the community. For instance, we pushed some patches in the past and they were suddenly accepted by the community because they recognize the value that everybody can bring to the same platform.
I guess as a personal thing for me is being a part of this community and building that up and helping everyone out and helping someone else, making their day easier is a big deal to me. And I really get that same vibe from the rest of the community too.